Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach.
I've done the changes, but still I'm not able to see the.
So first thing, first thing you should check your region, key, restart the agent, and fourth thing you have to check that one. What is it? A process enabled. Can you click on that?
Yeah, so let me.
Show me your YAML file, that section. You run that command which I gave it to you in my tutorial.
Yes, I've done. Which command you're talking about?
Check that my tutorials.
See, I just follow this.
Go down. Go down.
Yes.
Go down.
Mode.
Go down. Go down. Keep down. Yeah, wait. Here only I can give you a command, right? Check that. How to check if process enabled or not in Linux. No, downside.
This one.
Yeah, that command. Yeah. Up to 5. Yeah. Up to 5. 5. That's the one command.
Are you able to see my screen?
See here, you made a problem here. Process collection enabled false. You have to make it true.
Okay.
See that enabled is equal to false.
Okay.
So you have to make it true. Carefully you modify that. See here false. Make it true and restart the agent one more time.
It's never now.
So Rajesh, can you see my screen?
Yeah. So your agent is not running actually. That is a problem. Maybe you have check that first agent is running, because that command will run only if your agent is running.
Okay. Second. Failed. Showing failed. That means after it is working. So after making those changes, maybe.
No, I think because of maybe some wrong changes has been done in the YAML file. Because of that, it's not running.
Okay.
So you have to check that what changes it's causing that.
So I just did for that process one. And nothing else.
Check the space issues and all. Maybe by mistake something else also you modify. It's the YAML issues only. Something has been corrupted. That so agent is not running because of that. Okay, guys. So now, can you look at my screen, all of you, just for overriding the flow because we'll have to finish that day with certain output from all of you. So guys, this task is very important. All of you have given, already access. Let me share my screen. Where is the sharing option? It's here. Look at my screen, all of you. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, end of this program, we'll do some certifications and test and all, and that will be shared with the coordinators for this. That is the specifications shared by them. So now, today's assignment is very simple. Whatever we did, we'll have to document it. So how do we submit an assignment? So let me first set up a questions. First thing, what is observability? Whatever you write, you need to write in your own word, okay? Second question is, what is Datadog at a high level? Third question is, which is very important here, what is agent and how it works? That explanation which I did in your keyword. And fourth one is list of top 10 Datadog agent commands which we use today. Okay, and with single line explanation. Because the same command you're going to use it again and again every day, and I'm not going to tell you like this command because it will be repetitive. So single line comments. Okay, now how do you write this answer? So each of the assignment you submit attached to certain marks I will do in the back end. So how do you submit? So can you see that all of you create post? All of you? Okay, so here you create title, give it, let's say my Datadog first day notes. I'm just giving you can give notes whatever you want it. Whatever you want to title, you want to first day notes, something like this. And now you will write this one heading, and then you write answer, then again heading, and then again answer, and then again heading, again answer. Some images you can upload. Now here you require the commands, right? So you will put it heading, and then here you will write all the commands. So how do you put it in the commands? In this one. So it's a markup language, and you can see preview. This is your answer, and publish it. The moment you publish it, your email address, which is in backend admin. No. Did you see my demo first of all?
Yeah, I've seen.
Okay, so
I
you have
changed
to, this is for additional learnings. You don't have to come until you want to do additional learning. So my expectations were look at my blogs.
Okay.
So my expectations were you have to go to the datadog.yaml file and uncomment these three entries as it is, no space, 2 space, 4 space, and true. What it will do, this will enable the process. Okay, process monitoring will be enabled. So this is how you do that in the Datadog. Same thing you do in Linux, same thing we do in the Windows for certification purpose. So I'll show you that place. Hold on a second. So end of these sessions, each one of you will be awarded with the certifications based on the test. So here this will be uploaded. So each one of you can get the certificates, and this will be validating that this will be name and your some unique ID, and then email address will be linked in the